What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Grillages Barbecue. Real quick video today. I just want to let you guys know that I am now an affiliate for AK Land and Cattle. They are an Oklahoma-based farm, and they sent me out this bundle of steaks and hamburger beef, just a assortment of stuff. I'll put a link to the bundle they sent me out, and I unboxed it over on Instagram. You can see everything over there, but I'll give a quick rundown here of everything that they sent me. Awesome bundle, and I love that they're in Oklahoma. So if you click that link in my description and use the code GorillaJoe, you can get 10% off your order. And there's also gonna be a link to the specific bundle I got. We're gonna be cooking up some ribeyes and a couple Okie strips today. Farm in Oklahoma, we gotta go with Okie strips. So real simple video. We're gonna be firing up the Weber kettle with the Good Charcoal Company, of course. And we're just gonna be doing a little hot and fast on these. So let's get right into it.
Went down to the river, washed my sins away. Praying, 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 praying for another day. I went down to that river, washed my sins for free. The devil's on the other bank, staring back at me. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. Another nail in my coffin, another nail for me. I gotta look pretty when I go down. Another nail in my coffin, can't you spare one more? I gotta look pretty when I'm knocking down heaven's door. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. My cigarette. You ever seen a dead man talking? No, you haven't seen one yet. I'm a dead man walking, 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 I'm a dead man. Went down to the river, washed my sins for free. No one seemed to notice as I stared. I went down to that river to wash my sins away. I was thinking of you in that wedding gown. I went down to that water, I washed my sins away. The world faded away as I went down, 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 down. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man.
All right, guys, super easy cook today. Just, you know, some good music for some good steak. And like I said, hit that link in my bio. You can get the exact pack I did at a discount of 10%. Or if you pick a different pack, you can get the Gorilla Joe in the checkout for 10% off. Let's see how these steaks turned out. We got the big ribeye and then the 2 oaky strips. On the Weber kettle, looking beautiful. I cannot wait to dig into this, guys. Actually, we're gonna try a piece right now so you can know how flavorful and awesome. Beautiful cut. So good. It's hard to beat a good steak on the Weber kettle with some hardcore carnivore. Cooked it hot and fast with that good charcoal company. Links for that in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you check out AK Land and Cattle and see what they have to offer. We'll see you next time.